Alright, buddy. Those are from Nana and Grandpa.
Oh, it's a blind box. It's another blind box. I wonder what it is. What is this? Step it out. Step it out. A new watch.
What is that, Batman? Oh, here, let me help you with that. You don't want to break that. Let me help you.
A new Batman
I'll
watch.
get it out while you open the other stuff, okay? Oh, that's so cool. Oh, yeah, we're going to need to cut that open.
It's something a crazy art. And it's Ninja Turtles. It's the ghost thing I always wanted. A Ninja Turtle. How did they know I wanted this thing? Now, this one's hard to open. It's round. Oh, this one we have to cut open.
I think that's Play-Doh to go with your new activity set.
Actually, this thing comes with
Well, here, I have this
This
right
thing
here.
comes with crazy art dough. This thing's not a Play-Doh set.
It is.
It's a dough set.
A dough set?
Crazy art dough set.
Oh, I see.
See, it said crazy art very tiny right. See, it said crazy art.
It
crazy
does say
art.
crazy art. Really
Yeah.
good reading, bud. Look. Told you I thought it was Play-Doh.
New Play-Doh for my Play-Doh stuff.
Yeah.
Not
for this. For your other Play-Doh stuff?
Yeah. This
That's
is
awesome.
This.
Here's your watch. I'll set the time for you in a little while, but check that out, dude.
It's a little small for me.
No, look, it'll fit just fine. I'll have to get it on right later. Can you look